Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. My name is Rahul and today we are going to learn about HTML and CSS. Basically, these both are the language used to create web pages and style the document. And today these are the topics which we will cover. First is introduction to HTML and CSS. Second is basic of HTML tags and CSS styles, and the last is creating a simple web page. And today the interesting point is that we will also create a simple web page. So let's start the video. The first topic which we will cover is HTML. Here you can see that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used for creating web page and web applications. HTML uses various tags and attributes to define the structure and presentation of content. HTML is often used in conjunction with CSS and JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive web pages. It means that HTML is a language which is used to create web pages with CSS and JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive web pages. Now we further move using HTML in creating web page. As you can see here, these are the basic element and text which is used to create a web page from heavy to simple and easy pages. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. Now the question arises, what is HTML element? And the answer is an HTML element is defined by a start tag. As you can see here, heading which is a tag with some content, and then we have to close or end the tag. And for your visualization, I here included a picture for better understanding. As you can see, starting HTML and closing HTML. Here head and body which will be shown on the page. Now we have reached to creating a web page. For creating web page there are many platform of software, but I am going to use online compiler. First we will write First we will write doc type HTML. Now HTML, then head, and then title. Here we can write on which topic your page is going to be. So uh, here I can include cyber security. Now I will close the tag. Here you can see your title. Now I will close the head. Now body. In this tag we used to write our content. H1 which means heading. Now here you can see this is a heading, which means you can write here as per on your content. Now you can include here your contact For paragraph, to describe something you can include here. Now we will close the body. HTML also tag, and also HTML tag. Now here you can see that our first web page has created. This, as you can see, these all are the HTML and these all are elements of HTML. These are the basics element or term which will be going to covered in all the hard or website or in simple website also. These are the basic elements of the HTML. Now we will going to learn about CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is the language we use to style an HTML document. It works by using selectors to target specific element and applying style to them. It provides a wide range of layout and design options, including responsive design techniques that allow web pages to adapt to different screen sizes and devices. It means by using CSS we can enhance the page, and it also allows the web pages to adapt different screen sizes and devices. It makes a web pages a good looking and attractive pages. Here you can see that these are the body background color orange. These are the CSS which is used in HTML to improve or attractive, to make attractive page, creating a simple website. Okay, let's create a simple for better understanding. We have came to online compiler, and now we will make a simple CSS program. We have to write doc type HTML. HTML head. Now we will include style. Background color. It will be light blue, or you can put as your choice. And you can see that background color has become light blue. Text align. We are going to be center. Now font family. Vardhana. This is a font name. You can put as your choice also. Font size 20 pixel. Now close the style. Now here you can see that we have make our first web page with using HTML and CSS. This is a paragraph, my first CSS example. Okay, this is for today and thank you. Keep learning and keep smiling.